Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best wireless tattoo machine review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Aliexpress Wireless Tattoo Machine. The machine runs on a 4 to 12 volt range and it's rated up to around 10,000 revolutions per minute at 12 volt, which is solid for learning lines and basic shading. The stroke length is 4.0 millimeters, so it's a good all-rounder for beginners, especially for bolder lines and packing. It comes with a wireless battery. Listings show around 1,200 to 1,500 mAh depending on the version, and charging is simple with the included cable. The little display makes it easy to monitor your settings while you work. If you're a beginner or you want a budget kit to practice on fake skin, this is a convenient choice. The grip is comfortable, it feels stable in hand, and the wireless setup makes it easy to move around without cables everywhere. This tattoo machine use needles once and don't tattoo real skin unless you're trained and following local health rules for learning. Stick to practice skin first. That's my quick look at the Aliexpress Wireless Tattoo Machine Kit. If you want a full setup at a budget price, this one is worth considering. Number 4. X&T Titan 270 Wireless Tattoo Machine. The X&T Titan 270 Wireless Tattoo Machine, a 5.0 mm stroke, which is a strong setup for bold lines, packing color, and smooth shading. It's built with a space aluminum alloy body, so it feels solid and professional in hand. You're getting a brushless motor rated at 8 volt, 10,000 revolutions per minute, and the big highlight is the 270G.cm torque. That torque matters because it helps the machine push cartridges smoothly, especially for thicker groupings or when you're working longer sessions without losing power. Battery life is listed at around 7 to 8 hours, which is great for a full day of work. It also has a smart display that makes it easy to monitor voltage and settings quickly while you're tattooing. If you like a strong punchy machine and you do styles like traditional, color packing, bold line work, or heavier shading, the Titan 270 is definitely worth considering. It's also suitable for semi-permanent makeup use, depending on your setup and technique. If you want a powerful wireless pen with long battery life and strong torque, this one looks promising. Number 3. T-Rex Wireless Tattoo Machine. The design looks clean and ergonomic. It's CNC integrated and weighs about 215 grams, so it feels balanced in the hand, good for longer sessions without too much fatigue. One of the best features here is the adjustable stroke range, roughly 2.3 millimeters up to 4.5 millimeters. That means you can set it up for fine lines, smooth shading, or color packing, all from one machine. It runs on a 4 to 12 volt voltage range and the motor is rated up to 12 volt, 10,200 revolutions per minute with 190G.cm torque, so it should have enough push for most styles. Battery is 2,000 mAh and charging takes around 2 to 2.5 hours. Brand claims 6 to 7 hours of use, and some listings say even longer depending on voltage and workload. The LCD screen is a big plus. It shows things like voltage, timer, battery level and extra info like frequency, current plus memory mode, and a strong start indicator. Overall, if you want an all-in-one wireless pen with multiple stroke options and a feature-rich display, the T-Rex is worth considering, especially for beginners or a backup machine. Number 2. Poseidon Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Poseidon HM145 built with an aluminum alloy body and it runs in a 4 to 12 volt range. It's designed to be simple, wireless freedom, solid power, and quick setup. This one is rated around 2,300 mAh and the brand claims about 5 to 8 hours of working time with roughly 2 to 3 hours charging. It also has an adjustable stroke range, great if you want to switch between lining, shading, and color packing without changing machines. It's marketed with a strong custom motor depending on the listing. You'll see speed ratings like 8 volt 8,000 revolutions per minute or up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, so expect it to handle regular cartridge work smoothly. The manufacturer notes keep current under 2A, so use a safe, compatible charger and don't push it beyond what it's meant for. Overall, if you want a budget-friendly wireless pen with adjustable stroke and long battery life, this is worth a look, especially for beginners or as a backup machine. Number 1. Ambition Torden Max Wireless Tattoo Machine. The Torden Max is a wireless tattoo pen made from space aluminum alloy built to feel premium but still comfortable in hand. It's designed for artists who want strong performance with less noise and vibration. The biggest upgrade here is the brushless motor rated at 8V 10,000 revolutions per minute with solid torque. Brushless motors usually mean better efficiency, less heat and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. It packs a 2,400 mAh battery, giving about 7 to 8 hours of use, and it charges in around 2 to 3 hours. The best part is the touch color screen, making it quick to adjust voltage and check your settings while working. Overall, the Ambition Torden Max is a strong choice if you want wireless freedom, brushless power and dual-stroke versatility, great for beginners upgrading or pros wanting a reliable daily driver.